Model answers that were provided were of great use and helped me to frame my answers with perfection.
The professors of UT are very wonderful who helped me even one day before the examinations in solving my doubts.
The teachers here are very friendly and always ready to solve my doubts. They are always ready to take extra lectures if we have missed out on some.
The regular doubt solving sessions that were held in UT helped me to make my concepts more clear.
They have a unique program in which you can choose the subjects and chapters which you had studied in school as well as at your home to give the test on, rather than the scheduled test. Don't skip the UT test that they are scheduling, it's for your own good. They are going to tell you in which subjects and or which chapters you need more attention so that you can concentrate on those and make your improvements.
Also like to mention some of the names: Shamita ma'am, Shubhara ma'am, MJM sir. These three people were amazing.
The test series, which were held at regular intervals, made me very thorough with chapters, and the four set of pre-boards proved to be a boon for us.
The model test papers that UT gives us after writing the test, that also really helped, because it's very important to figure out what mistakes you're making, and you really need to learn what answers the board expects.
I have scored 100 on 100 in mathematics. Test series helped me to achieve my goal, and it made me more of it. It made me a positive mindset that what and which type of questions are going to come in my exam.
Question papers were set in an extremely well pattern. It coaxed us to think in a way that we couldn't before, and it proved beneficial to us before we gave the boards. Furthermore, the checking done by the entire UT faculty was also very good.
They had helped me to improve my writing skills and also work on my time management.
UT faculty has helped me understand all the concepts of all the subjects very clearly, as well as the admin staff. I'd like to thank them as they used to arrange all the lectures.
The counselors of UT, they mentored my daughter in so many ways. They taught her to believe in herself, boosted her confidence, and encouraged her to work hard. The timely guidance provided during the entire test series, like structure of writing, presentation, etc., it really proved very fruitful. The last minute revision plan guided by UT helped her immensely to overcome her fear of board exams. I'd really like to recommend it to all the parents who want success for their children.
All my seniors were scaring me. They were saying that boards is very hard, you cannot pass. And I was really afraid. But then my friends and colleagues, they suggested me UT test series. The test series which I gave here, and even the full test, at least 4 times I gave, it was really helpful, and it created an environment like condition for me. I was well prepared for my boards.